Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and this video is to announce that we've just passed over 4,500 subscribers, and to celebrate, I'm giving away this, call it an aftermarket or a clone combi bracelet. This will fit on your G-Shock Square, and I think your Casio as well. So it is a clone of a combi bracelet. It's basically all plastic except for this portion here. These parts are steel, of course, damp steel, and then you do have metal pins in here. These pins are held in by friction. They are not spring bars like on the combi bracelet. So it's a straight shaft, a straight pin, and then one end of it's knurled in, on the inside. That's what keeps it in position here. So give this away. I'm going to do continental US. I'll pay for the shipping and everything. If you're overseas and you really want this, contact me and we'll figure out what the shipping is going to be. My last giveaway was a G-Shock Square. It's about a $40 watch, and the shipping was going to be like 35 bucks. So I can't even imagine what the shipping would be for that. But anyway, we can figure that out. This bracelet will be included as well. I have no idea what it's for. Some sort of Casio watch, I would guess. Not even sure how. Maybe there's a spring bar in the middle there and you push it in through these holes. I don't know. Don't know where I got it from. So it'll be a mystery bracelet included with this one here. And for 5,000 subscribers, I still have this watch here. Kindly donated by a viewer of the channel, a subscriber. So really appreciate that. This will be given away at 5,000. So hopefully we get there soon and give away this watch. Comes with this fabric strap, which I believe is aftermarket, and it also comes with the leather strap and the box. It's around here somewhere, but I'll find it in time for the giveaway. So rules are simple. Be a subscriber, comment below, and also if you could follow me on Instagram, I'd really appreciate it. So in a week's time, let's see, today's Monday, but I'll release this video on Wednesday, what day will that be? Today is what day is it today? Today's the 8th. So I'll release a video on Wednesday the 10th, and then a week after that, Wednesday the 17th, I will pick a winner for these two bracelets here. And then hopefully not too far off in the future, we can give away this watch for the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So be a subscriber, comment below, and follow me on Instagram if you can. I think that's usually how I do it, and I'll run a random comment picker on Wednesday and announce the winner. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please of course hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.